Question 1. The intensity of radiated heat is A. Directly proportional to distance from the source of the heat. B. Inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the source of the heat. C. Not affected by the distance from the source of the heat. Justification: radiated heat follows the inverse square law, meaning its intensity decreases with the square of the distance from the source. Question 2. As a block of ice melts to 4 degrees Celsius, its volume, A, increases, B, decreases, C, remains the same. Justification: water exhibits anomalous expansion, its density increases as ice melts, reaching a maximum at 4 degrees Celsius, causing the volume to decrease. Question 3. A material with a gradually varying refractive index is said to have a step index, B, single index, C, graded index. Justification: a graded index (GRIN) material has a gradually varying refractive index, commonly used in fiber optics to reduce signal loss and improve transmission. Question 4. A slug is a unit of A, Massachusetts, B, weight, C, speed. Justification: a slug is a unit of mass in the imperial system, where one slug equals 14.59 kilograms. Weight depends on gravity, while mass remains constant. Question 5. If an object in air is submerged in a liquid or gas, its weight will A, increase, B, decrease, C, remain the same. Justification: the object experiences buoyancy, which provides an upward force opposing gravity, effectively reducing its apparent weight. Question 6. As an object slides down a slope, A, kinetic energy increases and potential energy decreases. B, kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases. C, kinetic energy increases and potential energy increases. Justification: as an object descends, gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy due to acceleration. Question 7. If a body starts at rest and reaches 84 meters per second in 3 seconds, its acceleration is A, 28 meters per second square, B, 14 meters per second square, C, 252 meters per second square. Justification: A equals y minus y, divided by. Question 8. The speed of sound in air at 0 degrees Celsius is approximately A, 331 meters per second, B, 181 meters per second, C, 3 by 10 raised to the power of 8 meters per second. Justification: the speed of sound in dry air at 0 degrees Celsius is 331 meters per second, 3 by 10 raised to the power of 8 meters per second. Question 9. If a material is loaded excessively and is permanently deformed, it is said to be A, stressed, B, strained, C, stretched. Justification: strain is the permanent deformation that occurs when a material is loaded beyond its elastic limit. Question 10. The height of water required to produce a head pressure of 1 bar is A, 9.81 m, B, 11.09 m, C, 10.19 m. Justification: using the hydrostatic pressure formula, H is equal to P divided by rho into gravity,